Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Are you dreading the chaos of holiday travel? Don't worry. In this video, we'll share valuable tips to help you navigate the holiday travel rush smoothly and stress-free. From booking your flights early to mastering airport etiquette, we've got you covered. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment which travel tip you found the most helpful. Book early. The key to avoiding the holiday travel rush is to book your flights early. Aim for the first flights of the day, as planes parked overnight at the gate are less likely to encounter delays. By booking early, you can secure your seat and minimize the risk of last-minute price hikes. Opt for direct flights. Choose direct flights whenever possible to reduce the likelihood of delays. Unlike connecting flights, direct flights offer less room for error and are more reliable. Plus, you'll save time and hassle by avoiding layovers and potential missed connections. Travel light. To streamline your airport experience, travel light by bringing only carry-on luggage. Skip the check-in line and baggage claim crowds by packing smart and minimizing your packing list. Consider purchasing toiletries at your destination and leaving some clothes with family for future visits. Practice good airport etiquette. Make the airport experience smoother for everyone by practicing good airport etiquette. Prepare for security screening by removing everything you may need to remove beforehand. Wait until your boarding group is called before joining the boarding line to prevent delays. Respect air traffic control restrictions. Be mindful of air traffic control restrictions and their impact on flight schedules. Boarding quickly can sometimes result in an earlier departure and arrival time. Conversely, delays in boarding can lead to missed time slots and late arrivals. Remember, every action at the airport has consequences. Stay informed. Stay informed about your flight status and any potential delays or changes. Utilize airline apps and websites to receive real-time updates and notifications. Being proactive and flexible can help you navigate unexpected challenges and minimize disruptions to your travel plans. With these tips in mind, you can breeze through the holiday travel rush with ease. By booking early, opting for direct flights, traveling light, practicing good airport etiquette, respecting air traffic control restrictions, and staying informed, you'll ensure a stress-free and enjoyable travel experience. Remember, preparation is key, so plan ahead and embrace the journey. Comment which travel tip you found the most helpful. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Safe travels.